Before start creating Azure App Services in my Azure portal, it's necessary to understand what is Azure App Services. So, as per documents, Azure App Services is fully managed platform as a service, also known as PaaS, that integrates Microsoft Azure websites along with mobile services and also BizTalk services into a single service, adding new capabilities that enables integration with on-premises or cloud system. Azure family, Azure App Service family has four features: web apps, mobile apps, logic apps, API apps. In this course, you will learn Azure Web App in depth. So, first, you need to understand what is Azure Web App. Azure Web App is a fully managed platform as a service, a platform that enables you to build or deploy, also you can say scale, enterprise level applications, web applications in seconds. There are some main features available in web apps. You can directly go into Azure portal and explore them one by one. As first, you can manage your application platform into Azure Web App. It could be .NET, Java, PHP, Node.js, Python and many more. Built-in auto-scale or load balancing behaviors. Highly availability with auto patching. Continuous deployment with Git, Team Foundation Server, GitHub and many more development options you have. Deployment slots, as you can create multiple deployment slots along with production slot. Testing in productions, manual testing, web jobs, continuous integrations, and the best part is Web App Gallery, from where you can find out third-party web application development frameworks like WordPress, Umbraco, Joomla, Drupal, and many more such great features. So, it's now time to create web app service into portal. So, follow the next chapters where you can create your app services into your portal.